Still haven't seen him. Cody just emailed him. We'll see. Some room. It's like my own personal pack mule. Last turn, climbing days. Good morning from our last day in Rome. We are so sad to be leaving, but so excited for what comes next. We need to go to gate 230 and drop our bags, and hopefully we can get out of this mess. As many people as we were met with when we hit the door here, we got through security fairly quickly. Our flight is also delayed by about 30 minutes right now, but that's okay because it gives us more time in the lounge. Now time to go find one. Follow the yellow brick sign. We have access to 3 lounges per the Priority Pass app, and they all, I think, are supposed to be up here. We'll find out.
Second level in Terminal C. It's probably the best lounge we've had yet. Great selection of food and drinks. Has windows looking to the outside. Really pretty. Short hour visit to our best lounge yet. We are heading to our next stop.
Time to board our flight. Making the journey to our gate, and we're hopefully not late because we kind of pushed it because we didn't want to leave the lounge yet. Okay, we stopped to buy another memory card because we're taking up space. I realized we told you we were going to our 17th country, but we didn't tell you where that was. We are going to a small off-the-beaten-path destination, which is Santorini, Greece. That was, without a doubt, the most beautiful approach to a destination we have ever seen.
Ever.
I have butterflies. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Get me off this thing. Ah, we made it! I'm so excited! Getting blown all over the place already.
Oh Lord.
Yay, 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 yay,
Sarah's
yay,
gonna
yay, yay.
lose it.
Gotta get on another bus though.
I know.
We're in Greece!
And now we wait for baggage.
Yep.
We had arranged transportation to our Airbnb and we don't see them.
No.
No. Still haven't seen them. Cody just emailed them. We'll see. See, it's okay. Cody's always the first to freak out about the transport, but he just walked in. Finally made it to our bus and we're headed to our Airbnb. Cody can breathe a little easy again. He always gets a little nervous when our transport goes wonky. You weren't sweating, were you? We take our luggage up to the Airbnb. And now, welcome to the coolest Airbnb we have ever stayed in. Our cave house. These are called cave houses because they're carved into the volcanic rock on the sides of the cliffs in Greece. We're staying in Ia, and this allows for a nice cool temperature in here. So we have air conditioning, but it's really comfortable anyways. Now let's go look at our room. I'm entirely too excited. There's a big bed. And then if you come back this way, along these walls of the cave, we have a little sink and our little bathroom, all carved into the cave wall. And then we have our kitchen. Whoop. With a little oven and a little fridge. And our Airbnb host told us that there was a grocery store right up the road. So we're gonna get snacks and water because apparently you're not supposed to drink the tap water here. And we are so excited to be here. And this isn't even the best part. Let me show you our view. This is the outside of our Airbnb. With these pretty chairs, but more importantly, this overlook. I don't think this could get any better. I could cry. This is like a bucket list destination and a bucket list accommodation.
Thing is, we're not quite sure where to set all of our stuff.
This'll work. We're walking to get some groceries. You can definitely tell that it's high tourist season. We're not the only ones out here, but it's beautiful. I just bought a hat. I'm already living my best Grecian life.
Here's some cookies.
Ooh, let's get all kinds of
Where's some Kinders so that we can get home?
Got some groceries. Now it's time to find some dinner. Now dinner with a view. First we have a feta cheese and spicy pepper dip.
Mythos beer. It's a light beer, but it's really good, especially after wine every day. Tell me when.
Oh yeah, you're good.
That was near gate D2. Oh, I gotta sneeze.
Okay. Oh. Can't get this thing.